Sure, you could have pad thai delivered, but don't be scared to cook it yourself. Today, we're doing easy homemade pad thai in under 15 minutes. To start off, I want everyone to acknowledge that this is not traditional pad thai, but this is a super quick, super tasty version you can make anytime. All right, let's do this. Because we're stir frying, everything is going to cook very fast. So we need all our ingredients ready to go. We got our cooked Thai Kitchen pad thai noodles, super easy. Just follow the package directions. For our sauce, we're mixing brown sugar, lower sodium soy sauce, lime juice, our Thai Kitchen fish sauce. Fish sauce gives a lot of Asian cuisine that salty umami flavor that's key to pad thai. We're gonna add our McCormick crushed red pepper and some ground ginger. Traditional pad thai includes tamarind concentrate, which you can find in specialty stores or online. However, if you want pad thai tonight and don't have tamarind concentrate, you can actually use a little ketchup. I know it sounds crazy, but it totally works. You're gonna get all that sweet, tart, and tangy flavor that you would normally get with the tamarind, and it's still gonna be super delicious. All right, so I'm gonna whisk this all up, and then we're gonna be ready to cook. Now, traditionally, pad thai is cooked in a wok on high heat. Where's my wok? Don't worry if you don't have a wok. I'm gonna show you how to do this in a large skillet. So we're gonna turn our heat up to medium high and heat up a little oil. Once the oil begins to shimmer, you're ready to stir fry. First, we're gonna add our noodles in right away. Hear that sizzle right there? Yeah. And now we're gonna add our sauce right away because we are stir frying this on medium high heat. Yeah. Rice noodles are perfect for pad thai because they soak up all the amazing flavors in the sauce and they'll hold up to, the stir and the stir fry. After about a minute, you wanna add 1 egg. Now, this is my favorite part because you really have to be aggressive with the stirring here and you're gonna get these amazing egg strands in the noodles. And here we go. It's gonna start cooking quick, so we gotta be aggressive and go. Once the egg is scrambled, we're gonna mix in some bean sprouts right in here. Now these will cook really, really quick. We're adding them right before we're gonna serve, so we still have that crispy crunch that really adds a lot of depth to this dish. So we're ready to plate. So we're gonna move this right here, and then right onto our little dish. Incredible. Sure doesn't spill off our plate. So now that we have our pad thai ready, we can garnish it with some crushed peanuts, some cilantro, green onions, and of course our lime wedges. All right, so what we're gonna do, just be generous. Have fun with it, you know what I mean? Add some crunch here, some cilantro, green onions, and of course, that lime juice is gonna give a little bit of a kick. It's gonna taste incredible, so just boom. So easy, so simple, and so delicious. I can't believe we did that in less than 15 minutes. Yeah, this is incredible.
Okay, you guys, I know your phone's in your hand.
Check out this episode plus all the other episodes in the Flavor Maker app.
We have all kinds of great features. You can create a digital spice rack.
Discover amazing recipes.
Plus, a ton of other cool features that I haven't even explored yet. Have fun cooking, guys.